Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to access Manager on the go in the Paycom app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Paycom app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. If you haven't, enter your company ID, username and password. Then tap Login. If you have set up Face ID or Touch, you can use that instead. Once you are logged in, look at the top left of your screen, tap the menu button. It looks like three straight lines stacked on top of each other. From the menu, scroll until you see Manager on the go, tap it to open. Here you will see all the Manager features in one place, like approving time card, reviewing employee requests, checking schedules and more. It's designed to make approvals quickly and easy no matter where you are. And that's it. You have just accessed Manager on the go in Paycom from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.